Hey, what's going on, catfishing fans? This is Cat Daddy.
And Son.
And we are on our way to the Hoover Reservoir here in beautiful Central Ohio. It is Memorial Day weekend. We want to honor all of the heroes that have done service to our country. And we want to give a special shout out to Grandpa, to Great-Grandpa Allard, to Great-Grandpa Papa, and all of the other veterans who have worked hard for our country to keep us safe.
Yeah, thanks for keeping us safe. It's a real honor to have people serving us.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we are doing our traditional Memorial Day trip out to go fishing. We did a couple of changes to the boat trailer so that it runs a little smoother, and we'll see you out on the water.
See ya.
All right, we are out on the water, Cat Daddy,
And Son.
and we are primed and ready to catch some big catfish today. It is a beautiful morning out here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we've got it. You got them on there?
Yep.
All right, here, let me reel some in here so we're not in your way. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy out of the way. Good deal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, now we got it. Okay. Is he big, you think? Huh?
I think so.
You think so? Okay, keep it going. Keep that line tight. Keep that line tight.
Yep.
Yeah, he's on there. He's on there. Okay. All right. Nice, respectable size. Let me just move this out of the way. I want to pick him up with my hand. Because I can. Yeah. Woohoo!
Okay.
Thumbs up. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, and we're going to grab the pliers.
Don't think it's very big.
No, he's a little guy.
Probably a kid.
Probably a kid. We're going to pop him back in the water here.
It's my third one.
Third one of the season?
Yeah.
Alrighty, bud. Enjoy your time. It's on us. Cut. Sometimes we got to move the boat a little bit to one side or the other to make sure that all of the bobbers are doing what they're supposed to do. Make sure they're all spaced out. We're covering plenty of area. So I just tilt it to one side or the other. We don't want the bobbers too close to each other. I always say it's probably best to make sure they're at least about 15 feet apart from each other or better, if possible. Because how far out can a catfish sense the bait?
15 feet.
15 feet. So if they're at least 15 feet away from each other, then you know each bobber, each bait that's in the water is doing its thing, and it's pushing out the scent in a big 15-foot radius. Catfish could be around, and the more we spread them out, the more area that we cover. Yeah, we want to make sure that they're spaced out at least a good 15 feet from each other so they cover that distance. They cover that spread. All right, buddy. All right. You got him. You got him. Yep. Oh, yeah. Xander's got one. All right, so it was a little bit of a slower day out on the water today, but man, was it beautiful. Would you agree with that?
Yep.
Yep. Xander was the big winner today, of course, like usual. He caught all the fish. He caught a nice blue cat. What was it, about 22 inches or so, would you say?
Yeah, probably.
Probably about 5 pounds. And he also caught, what else did you catch?
Crappie.
A nice crappie, that's right. About 11 inches, so not too far off from being a Fish Ohio. Fish Ohio is 13 inches, so he gets a little bit bigger than that. And I'd say we've got a Fish Ohio crappie on our hands. So thanks very much for watching. From both of us at Cat Daddy
And son.
and Son, we say keep it real.